have Mr. Tali with his Accord. Looks pretty clean, look at that. Got the Roddy forms, I think they 19 inches. Yes, sir.
Woo.
Yeah.
Oh, it's raining.
It's raining. What's going on?
I want to touch this before I go to bed.
Alright.
So this we're not using, right?
Wait, that one we're not using, but actually, yeah, we're not using that. So right now he's doing some test welding, making sure that the welder works. Hopefully it works. If not, it will be a fail.
Nice. Just a matter of welding this shit up. That's it.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Nah, well, tack welding is not bad. It's not even hard at all. What's hard is to weld.
Weld like
weld
straight
the whole
pieces.
bead, like a bead and shit.
I would like to learn to do it. Cause
That's the. It's not even that it's hard. It's more like you have to like the pattern.
it's more patience.
it's
You gotta
more,
take
yeah,
your time and stuff
you
like
gotta
that, right?
actually look at the weld. Like this one, you put it, you don't even have to look at it. You
Just
fill it up.
fill
it up. You don't have to. But when you welding, you have to look at the gun, and you gotta look at the wire coming out, and you gotta look at the two materials.
Alright. So this is where the mortar mount goes mounted. So last step would be is installing the nut behind this. I have to cut the hole back here. The JDM bracket is welded, as you can tell. It actually looks better than the original welds. Thing got welded, like the OEM was only down here, we welded all the way up to the top, so the structure is there. That ain't going nowhere. This welded nice, and this piece as well, we welded all the way around, so that ain't going nowhere. Yep. Got it? All right. So now that we open this up, now we have access to the other side. So right there, we have to weld a nut as well as over here. Nice. What's going on, guys? Busy today. State your name.
Oh, Robert. Oh, shit.
Instagram. You want people to follow you?
Oh, yeah, Rob.FRB.
You're gonna have to text it to me so I can put it right here. Yes, sir. And we got Mr. So Icy. Yes, sir. Put it in work. Yeah. Alright, so he's prepping the subframe. He's using the wire brush to take down any rust that's left over on the subframe to get it ready for paint. Camera guy.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
Of course you just edited it out.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Cut this out. I might just even bleep it out and just keep it. Alright guys. So
Word, do it. And then that moment right there, you could just say, can you guess what we were talking about?
yeah.
Because of your face. You look like a perv. Ja, go. Oh.
Alright guys, so here we have the subframe, Becky subframe. Prepping it, getting it ready for paint. Anywhere there's a high spot, I'm sanding it down with a 500 grit. So this area is gonna be visible. This area here. Let's see, right there, boom, making sure it's clean. Making sure that the surface is rough so that the paint could grab. Boom. That's that. Here, I mean, you're not gonna see this too much. This is where the mortar mount is at. Boom. Yeah, I'm just doing it pretty quick because I already did this already. Like, this step is already done. I'm just doing some last prep work.
Just cause. I need feel me? I need some, okay, too much.
Oh, yeah, some fame. Well, you can film your car.
Feel me? You know, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Record. Case that.
Ja.
Rebuild coming soon.
Yep.
VHT, flame proof, matter paint. I don't think these guys are ready for my gauges.
Ooh. Look at that. See that? See that dimple?
Yeah. You know what that means.
Baha.
It's a light coat. Just been done that. Thank you, sir. Sponsor us, Bud Lime. You already know.
But like lime.
Light lime,
Nah.
you know, low calories, you know. You don't want to gain those extra.
Also, I had a question. Does that remove shit stains?
It should.
Oh, all right.
I'm pretty sure it does.
So, you know, I had a lot of subscribers ask me that question.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Acetone? Yeah, acetone works for a lot of things. Even if you have acne on your face, you put acetone on your face, it should come off.
Mm-hmm. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, but why you pointed at that window though?
So like that, Bud Light could sponsor us.
But like,
Bud Light sponsor us, please.
Butter light. Butter. Bud light. Better than anal.
Facts. Alright, other than anal, here we have our clear coat. Wait 30 minutes.
Wait. Is that new?
Yeah.
There's another one that's used. You should use that. You return that you have. It's right here.
Oh, no, me falta mucha vaina. Mucha vaina.
okay.
Same car, bro.
You don't care. Clear coat. Get some shine out of this.
The battery there?
So that's the first coat. That's first coat. Yeah, you know what?